have a supporter that brought us cupcakes. Sarkis will inhale it in his veins.
Sarkis
shoot it.
Eat it, he'll swallow it.
Do you have any tips for Moses so he can look like you?
I'm eating like food, like healthy food.
He's got the eyes though. Mine are just brown. He's got those beautiful and that under the voice. He looks good.
I can't eat like my good stuff, pizza and burgers and hot dogs and stuff. This is what they got me on. This is all I got.
That's good. 5 days a week.
7 days a week. I still have to work out though. I gotta run, right? Like cardio and stuff like
Oh,
that.
don't ask me. I
can't
do
do
6
push-ups.
miles a day, 4 days
6
a
miles
week.
a day.
Yeah.
I'll end up at the hospital.
Let me know if you want to wake up tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. Go work out. I got you.
Now you wanted a trainer. Now you got a trainer.
Can he call off? Can Moses call off to go work out?
Everything will be deducted. He has a 6-pack, but he has no money.
This car is a big project. This is a client of ours. Brought his car in. After this car was purchased from a dealership, he brought the car in here for some stuff. So we are doing a, as you guys can see, the car is already wrapped. It's a full Nardo Grey wrap. We also powder coated his wheels gloss black. They were really, really bad. So we're keeping the original stock wheels. He wants them that way. We also put a full carbon kit on the vehicle. Javier's doing the exhaust right now. So we have a couple of more things to do on this car before we wrap it up. So we have exhaust, we have tune coming up. It's gonna sound amazing. He's gonna love it. And also we have a custom JL audio system going in here. A lot of speakers. It's gonna be really, really nice sub in here. Custom made right under, actually right by the passenger side floor. We're gonna have a custom sub there. All kinds of nice gadgets and stuff inside the trunk of this car. So he's gonna love it. Yeah, Javier's getting this thing done.
So essentially you have the valve here, and whenever the valve is basically open, it goes straight into these. Whenever the valve closes, it will go through this muffler and then come back out of these. So it's a valve system, and it looks very funky because of the way it's set up. And we're taking this off, we're putting something more straight, basically, no valves. So it's gonna be like more of a race version. So that's a weird one. And then this is also a regular Aventador. It's not an SV, SVJ or whatever. So can't have our version 3, which you heard on the SVJ 63. All right, guys, we are standing behind this amazing 488 Pista Spider. You guys saw us do this car. Belongs to my buddy Mo. It has wheels, is lowered. Now we're installing the RYFT complete titanium exhaust system with cap bypass pipes, off-road use only. And it looks amazing. As you can see, the titanium in the back. This thing weighs, I don't even know, like 2-3 pounds. We could pick it up with a finger. We even have titanium pipes, exhaust tips on the rear bumper. As you can see, the exhaust tips on most Ferraris and Lambos now are actually bolted onto the bumper. It's not actually part of the exhaust system. So we have the ECU out actually right now. It's on our workbench, and we are waiting for the tune file to come back, and then we're gonna flash it in there so we don't have to actually send the ECU out to various places. Ferraris and a lot of other cars, we could actually do it in-house, so less downtime. We could usually do tunes in 1 day when it comes to like something like this. Actually, this is pretty much a 1-day job, really. We just unfortunately sent the ECU file out really late, so didn't get it back yet. So in the next video, you guys will see this car with the exhaust system sounding amazing, most likely shooting flames and all that stuff too. So pretty much done for the mod list on this Pista Spider. Didn't want anything else. Like I said, it's a really nice spec, so nothing else on it except for the wheels, lowering, exhaust, and a tune. So stay tuned. Next YouTube episode, you guys will hear this beauty.
Delete that one. I can do the last. No problem.
Get this car down. Another Aventador.
What? Yeah.
Go wash the car.
Go clear someone's valve. No, he's a good guy. Everyone here is
Nobody
good.
talked about me.
I'm the most hated person in this
Yeah.
channel, which is fine. Two most hated people are standing right next to each other.
No, him and Zumi. He
Look,
said that.
everybody here is nice, but when the camera, except that guy. That guy's a little weird. Off camera, we have dinners together. We hang out. We're like best friends. But on camera, clear my valve.
What did Zumi do to you?
He lied to me. He made me wash his car, and then he was like, "I'll
promised
shout
like
you out." And then I tagged him, and I did it, and he didn't. He
He didn't repost it?
No, he didn't.
He's dead when he gets back
Yeah.
from Florida. Where? I don't know where he is.
No, he's in New York. And he said when he was in the army. Oh my god, dude! No way! Oh my god!
What are we doing? What are we doing here? What are you doing here?
This is for the other units we have in the other body
So
shop.
wide body, another wide body here. It's
Another
not
wide
forged
body.
carbon. What size is that?
Hey, put it on. Put it on.
New shirts.
Put it on.
Okay, thank you. No, put it on. I want to
Put
see
it on.
it.
See how it looks.
Hey, who's Lorena?
Nothing.
Who's Lorena? Hey, he has Lorena on his back.
Hey, actually, put it like that.
New T-shirt. Hey, They see your tattoo, Lorena, in the back.
20.
Yeah. All right, come on.
Alright guys, I'm standing in front of this beautiful white Aventador. It's not a S, it's not a SV, it's not a SVJ, it's not an Ultimate. This is a regular Aventador. Very refreshing to see actually, but it does have a full body kit on there. We installed this full carbon fiber package on it. As you can see, side skirts, the wing, those vents you see on the back, even the front lip, the front spoiler. This car is originally white. We did a full satin clear bra on it, but now it's like a frosted, frozen white, whatever you want to call it. It has a beautiful two-tone red and black interior that we actually also did for him custom. And the beauty of it, these wheels. You've already seen these wheels that we've done several times on SVJs, the yellow one, the green one. We've even done these on the SF90s, which were a huge trend. But now we did it on another Aventador. It looks really good on the white. And again, it's a polished lip with the white face, 5-spoke. This is a 5-lug version. It's not the center lug. This customer actually has another set of custom wheels, so whenever he wants, he could switch them out. I think it looks good. You let us know what you think. We're gonna take it out for some rolling shots, get you some really cool rolling shots on this, because I think with the white wheel, it's gonna look really cool. So. Damn, G. Very happy right now because he's been facilitating this deal, so he's super happy about it. It's like his first Lamborghini deal. He's been working here for 1 month apparently. You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. He's gonna be happy.
So yeah, we're gonna paint this hood partial.
Yes, we're gonna do the same thing.
We're gonna paint it with the yellow one over there. So we're gonna be painting a body color, and then we have to do a clear brown on top of it.
Yes.
And then put it. So this hood is becoming very, very popular for the Aventadors because nowadays Aventador is getting kind of old. So this gives it another fresh look up front. So a lot of people are doing this hood. It's from 1016. Give us a call. You could order it from us. We could paint it for you. We could ship it. We could do whatever you want. So let's get another Aventador done, man. Hopefully people don't stop watching us for all these Aventadors. But
yes, it's gonna be cool. Also, exhaust system. We're working on an exhaust system for this car. No. We're also working on an exhaust system for this car, and we should have a nice exhaust on this car as well.
Can you take us to the body shop, please?
Can we open the top?
You want the top down? I don't know, bro. It's hot.
What's up, JD Craig Nation?
Stop touching me. By the way, Moses is just touching me in the car. Stop. Bro, actually, this is our first car ride, right?
Yeah.
You had half a thing. I'm not.
I put half a tank yesterday.
Yeah, we did. No.
Did you build your houses
I have
again?
not been driving it.
Dude, I like this car. The seats are sick.
Are you gonna buy one?
I don't know, man. It's not typical. Like,
So you like SVJ?
I like, yeah, SVGs are cool.
So you don't like Ferrari?
I mean, SF90, of course, but like, too expensive 1 second. I don't know, man. I have a family, you know, so it's like, yeah, we gotta put our seatbelt on. I don't want to hear this noise the whole time.
Okay. Are you sure you can drive?
Why? What did I do?
Yeah, pothole,
How fast did I dodge that pothole? I'm a pothole dodger. I had a couple cars that had wheels, and I've never bent my wheels.
Okay.
Not one time I bent my wheels.
Well, if I was like a millionaire and I don't have to worry about anything,
SF90, 100% sure for me.
yeah, that will be my everyday drive.
Yeah.
See, this car you cannot drive every day.
No, it's not comfortable. It's not comfortable.
Yeah, it is.
First of all, look, my head. Look.
It's a pothole.
So basically, SF90 is your top car.
Yeah. My favorite car is SF90, F8, and then BMWs. Oh, they posted a new picture of M5. Did you see that? It's crazy. What about the Ferrari? So what do you think about the Ferrari?
I like the Ferrari. The interior is dope. I'm like half and half on the doors, right? But I think it's sick.
The doors are weird.
It is weird.
I heard
because it's Ferrari.
You have to open the front door so you can
open the rear door. Exactly.
Oh shit. Well, I know you can drive, but there's a pothole.
Where? Where's the pothole? Where? Exactly. Honestly, the way I drove, how was it?
I think it was like -5.
What do you mean? I did nothing wrong.
If you came to me to pass the driving test.
Driving test?
I will just.
How did you pass the driving test? Did you pay for it? You bought it? I knew it.
We the top 10. UGK the major way, not play it. It don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock. Yeah, Benz on road, we doing digi to the whole block.